Today's video is a bit different as I am seeking to debunk a claim by the channel Altitude Addicts, which generally is a good channel, in which they claim that the Aviation 96-400M has entered serial production. This claim is simply not accurate. Much as viewers may want Russian Aviation to overcome sanctions, it is important to be factually accurate in terms of claims that are made, and I'll explain now why this assertion that has been made by the channel is simply not accurate. The first thing is that we know that the first flight of this Aviation 96-400M took place on the 4th of November 2023. There's only one aircraft in the program, and the initial flight, as is typical with the first flight of a new plane, was simply to test at this initial stage certain things about the plane. So in terms of the stability, the control system, the power plant, and the landing gear. And one of the things I recall from that test was that it was generally a low altitude, and the landing gear was down for the entire period of the test. So you're just sort of taking a new plane and you're working out to see whether or not everything is as it should be. And then you go back to the factory, you take the results of the test, and you use that to improve the aircraft as you build a test aircraft that you would then use, and you build other ones to improve, to enter into a test program. Now, that hasn't happened in this case at all. There's only been one aircraft, and you can't go from that initial flight to serial production. It just is inaccurate. Nobody has ever done that, and it would be something that would be really crazy to do. Now, the other point that I would make is that what normally happens with a plane at this initial stage is that you would have, like, if you do a comparison with, say, for example, the SJ-100 and also the MC-21, you see a number of prototypes, and in the case of the MC-21, it's been about 13 prototypes testing different things before you then have a plane that enters into the certification program. Now, the fact is that for a plane to enter into serial production, not only do you have to have multiple planes joining the test program and testing a number of different things, you then finally, when you're ready, you then go through the certification process. And in this case, there has been no certification process at all. Without certification, when you have a stable version of an aircraft, there is no way you're going to enter into serial production. Let's look at what are the announcements out there. United Aircraft Corporation, who are very active in their social media about, and they talk a lot about what's happening in relation to the MC-21 and the SJ-100 and even the Aviation 114-300. But in this case, have they said anything about this plane entering into serial production? The answer is no. Okay? So we know that the first plane that's going to enter into serial production is the SJ-100, because the certification will complete this year. We then know that the MC-21, which the certification which should be finished by next year, should enter into serial production next year. And even with the MC-21, you have about 20 other planes, in addition to the 13 in the test program, that are at various stages on the assembly plant, in production. That has not happened with Aviation 96-400M. Now, just to say that if you've enjoyed this content and you'd like to see more of it, not necessarily specifically this type, but also this type if you want to, leave a comment below. It would be nice if you'd also consider subscribing so that you get notified of my future videos. My focus is very much on Russian aviation. Russia has a plan, a Russian Aviation 2030, and that has a list of the planes that are expected to be in production or in service. And that list, published in 2024, included the Aviation 96-300, which is still in production, only 1 or 2 planes a year, although there are also some of those planes that are actually in storage. So, and what we know with the Aviation 96-400M is that there's a lot of research and development going on. And when you look also at Russian airlines in terms of the wide body, you see that while some planes have been cannibalized, because essentially there's limited scope in terms of flying westward, it means that some planes have gone into storage, modern Western planes. And we also know that Belavia, the plane for the airline of Belarus, was able to get an A330 that snuck into the country and is now in operation between Belarus and Turkey. So when you look out there and you look at what is being claimed, it's simply, there's no evidence to support the assertion that it's entered into serial production. And I think that using the word serial production is really, maybe they mean something else, maybe they meant to say something else, but certainly just referring to it as serial production, which means it's ready to be produced and enter into service, just not accurate at all.